guys, just doing a quick tutorial today to show you how I paint curly fur. This is a sped up version. If you want the full length tutorial, just go to the link in the description of this video. So you just want to start out with a coat of the darkest shade of the fur. I'm painting brown fur, so I'm just covering the canvas with a really dark brown paint. Okay, so once you've painted that first layer, we can move on to the next part. Mix some paint a shade lighter than your base coat and start to paint some sections of curls on top of the first layer. Make sure the curls are different sizes and going in different directions to help make it look more realistic. If you're painting from a reference photo, make sure you follow the pattern of the curls in that photo. I'm using quite a large brush for this. It also has a pointed tip which helps a lot when painting fur. This layer is just about forming the basic shape of the curls. We'll come back in later to create more depth. Continue to do this until the whole of the canvas is covered. So with the next layer, we just want to mix up some paint another shade lighter, then start to paint on top of the curls that you formed in the previous layer, making sure you leave some of the darker colours showing through underneath. Continue to do this with all of the curl shapes. Repeat this same technique with a lighter shade of paint, really focusing on where the light will be hitting the fur. Add smaller amounts of paint each time to make sure the darker colours underneath will still show through. Continue to add lighter shades of the paint to the curls, really focusing on the highlights. Now we should really see the shape and depth of the curls coming through. Keep adding lighter shades until you're happy with how the highlights look. Now I'm starting to add in some finer details. Just mix some white paint with a bit of water to thin it out, then use a small brush to paint in some individual hairs. Continue painting these in the same direction of the curls. You don't need to add too many individual hairs, but this step really helps to bring the painting to life. I'll just zoom in slightly to give you a closer look at what I'm doing. If you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification.